Hi guys, this week's upload was supposed to be completely different, but I just didn't feel like uploading it because it didn't feel right with whatever is happening around. I didn't feel like uploading it, and I also felt like talking about a few things, talking about things that have been like super heavy on my heart, things that are bothering me so much. I felt the need to talk about those things because I want to be honest with you guys, and I want you guys to know that you guys are not alone. I know in my videos I'm always like goofy, not so serious, always happy, and people think that I'm never serious. That is not the case. Through my channel I want to like spread awareness. I want to do my bit. I don't want to sit back and hold myself and stay silent about these things because I think it's important to talk about things that matter. Yeah, I just wanted to be honest and personal with you guys because I guess it's important. Okay, I don't know how to... I want to talk about the stigma around mental health, and I strongly think that if I talk about it, I might be helping one person at least. I just wanted to put it out there. I know there's this stigma around mental health because I've witnessed it. I have seen people's reaction towards it, and that is because one of my best friends, someone who is very close to me, someone I love, someone who is family to me, is actually dealing with depression, and how people reacted to that was like awful. I've seen that person feel guilty for feeling that way, and that makes me really sad. I mean, it's 2020, you guys, come on. It's high time that we guys actually talk about it and take it seriously and be sensitive towards it. I'm saying this again, and this is so important. Mental health is not a joke. It's important that everyone takes it seriously. If you are someone who is going through any sort of mental health issue, be it anxiety, depression, or any sort of mental health problem, talk to your loved ones, talk to someone you trust, talk to your parents, talk to your friends. I think it's extremely important to talk to someone. Don't bottle up your feelings. Sometimes talking to your loved ones can be life-changing. It can help you in so many ways, and I want you to know that it's okay if you feel low. It's okay if you feel down and you don't know why. It's okay if you don't fit in. It's okay if you're not perfect. You're not alone. There are people who really love you, and things will get better. I know it's easier said than done, but trust me that you'll get through this. It's not going to last forever. You may not have mental health issues yourself, but I guess you can always be there for someone else, someone who is dealing with it. You can always be a helping hand. You can be a good listener. Just listen to their problems. Just be there for that person. Don't leave that person alone. That person is already going through a rough time. Be a kind human, be a nice soul. Don't judge that person. I also wanted to mention, when someone is talking about their problems, don't talk about your problems, and don't compare your problems to their problems, because that's not the point. The point is that you be a good listener and help them out. It's not a fucking competition that whose problem is bigger, you know. 2020 has been crazy. I think we can all agree to that. This year is a nightmare. And I've realized a few things, that your job, success, your money, it doesn't really matter. What really matters is your relationship with yourself and your relationship with people. And also your inner peace. Your happiness, that's something really important. That is something that really matters. Yeah, I guess your relationship with people and yourself is the only thing that matters. I hope this video makes you feel less alone. If you're not in a good mental state right now, please reach out to your family, reach out to your loved ones, reach out to a friend. And if you want to reach out to get help, I'll link everything in the description below. Don't feel guilty if you're feeling low. There's nothing to feel guilty about. It's okay if you're not fine. It's okay if you're low. It's okay if things are not fine right now. Things will get better eventually. Us as individuals, I genuinely feel that we need to educate ourselves more. I strongly feel that if we guys try to like spread awareness, people who are dealing with it, people who are going through it won't feel guilty to talk about it. There's nothing to feel guilty about, that's my point. I think this year it's a wake-up call for all of us as human beings. I hope we can learn from this year and realize that it's important to speak on issues that matter, and it's important to be kind and nice to each other, encourage each other, motivate each other. That's what really matters. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. It's okay not to be okay. There are so many people who really love you, and your life matters.